Okay, you're filming.
No, this is typical of a tractor. Oh, almost.
There we go.
So there we are, guys. This is my 2019 birthday present. How many of you guys get to say they got a 28.4 horsepower loader tractor with a 3-point hitch for their 49th birthday? I get to say it. But this isn't actually where it's going to be kept. We have a barn. I can put it on the other side of the property that locks. It'll be locked up inside, closed doors, all that good stuff. But yeah, I have a Challenger, guys. So basically, Challenger is made by AGCO, which is a subsidiary of Caterpillar. And what they did is basically went into the same factory that Massey Ferguson has made and said, okay, we want to take that model and we're going to paint it yellow and put the Challenger logos on it. And so this is actually the same thing as the Massey Ferguson 1228. Four-wheel drive, and it's a hydrostatic transmission, real easy operation, single joystick for the bucket. Has an auxiliary one that was added so that I can actually add a grapple, which I will be doing. So look forward to a few, well, there'll be a new playlist called Tractor Stuff. Kind of goes with the chainsaw stuff theme. But anyway, I'm going to be making some different 3-point attachments for it and getting different 3-point attachments for it. But I am going to be making some too. Yeah, this is going to be a fun little project. I have there's also a set of forks for it. You see the hole in the side of the bucket there. There's a bar that stretches between that hole and that hole, and goes across, and then there's the forks slide onto that bar, and you can stick it in there and bolt it in, and wham, forks. So I can already move logs with it, which is part of my intention. There's a lot of work that needs done here on the farm, a lot of landscaping and stuff, so we are needing it, but yeah, I wish I had a backhoe attachment for it, because that would be really good for doing the water lines for my, digging the trenches for my water lines for the tiny house, but didn't get that. Don't have the extra $3 grand for it right now. This thing was expensive enough. But yeah, so thanks for watching. I realize this is probably a fairly short video, and it was mostly driving. Okay, it was 2 hours each way to go get it. And I'm planning on condensing that down to about 20 seconds each way. So that's what you got the short version. All right, guys. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.